But today we are going to turn our gaze right at the very top from the big cities to the countryside. Over the last several weeks, the focus has been on the big cities. But the real battle, as we've been saying for a few days now, is going to now be fought in the countryside. Because cases are now increasing in some of India's most populous states, particularly in North India. And there, the medical infrastructure is simply not good enough. Today, we will have a series of special reports that will shock you, and some of the images could be distressing. But the fact is that the time has come for a reality check of what's happening in rural India. Our first ground report is from Jharkhand's Chhatra, where patients are being given used oxygen masks by the hospital. Our correspondent Ashutosh comes up with another searing ground report. Take a look.
Second wave of COVID-19 is ripping across the nation. And it's not just the big cities. Even small towns and rural areas are reeling from the monster surge. This is one of the biggest hospitals in Jharkhand's Chhatra. And this is the ICU ward for COVID patients. No entry written in bold letters, but no one seems to have read it. No restrictions, people moving in and out without a care.
आप पेशेंट हैं?
नहीं।
आप अंदर क्यों चले गए वार्ड में?
पेशेंट के साथ थे।
पेशेंट के साथ कोविड मरीजों के साथ रहने दिया है तो लिखा हुआ अनावश्यक प्रवेश।
अरे तो उनको दवा पहुंचाने गए थे, मास्क पहुंचाने गए।
कोविड वार्ड है, क्या हर किसी को अनुमति होती है अंदर जाने की?
नहीं।
परिवार तीमारदार क्यों जा रहे हैं अंदर?
कभी कभी आ जाते हैं, हम दवा लिख के देते हैं तो
इतनी देर में इन्फेक्शन होने के चांस नहीं होते?
बाहर से हड़ो देते हैं।
सारे के सारे देखिए अंदर से आ रहे हैं रिश्तेदार। यहाँ आपने लिख रखा है कोविड मरीजों के लिए और अनावश्यक प्रवेश निषेध।
India Today's reporter was also asked by the hospital staff to go inside the ICU.
नहीं, आईसीयू में नहीं जा सकते ना, आईसीयू में हम ऐसे नहीं जाते। आईसीयू में जाने की अनुमति नहीं होती है। Even in the smaller town, their number of beds are available. There is no crisis of oxygen, but the negligence cannot be ruled out. And even in the COVID ward, the relatives, the family members, all are having a free access inside the ward, and that's categorically, risking even the attendees. As this is the dedicated COVID ward, usually there is no access should be given to anyone, but now even the family members, relatives are having a free walk inside a COVID ward, and that's going to be clearly risky.
But this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to negligence at this hospital. With medical staff scarce, the driver is seen putting masks on patients.
आप क्या करते हो?
हम यहाँ ड्राइवर हैं।
आप ऑक्सीजन लगा रहे हो सबको?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हम अपने भाई को लगा रहे हैं, अपने ग्रामीण को लगा रहे हैं।
आपको आता है लगाने?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं? 13 साल से मैं इस अस्पताल में काम कर रहा हूँ।
The largest hospital of Chhatra is also facing a shortage of life-saving medicines and injections.
5 बजे से दवा लावाल 5 बजे रात में चला है। 5 बजे से
दवा बाहर से लाए?
दवा कुछ बाहर से मंगाते हैं।
क्यों?
बोलते हैं यहाँ जो नहीं है सो बाहर से लाते हैं।
The hospital nurse said injections that could save patients are not available.
कौन सी दवाइयाँ आप बाहर से लाने के लिए कह रही हैं?
बाहर के लिए अभी तो डायरिफेलिन के इंजेक्शन ही मंगवा रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे खत्म हो चुका है।
किस तरह के इंजेक्शन है वो?
सांस लेने का प्रॉब्लम है।
वो यहाँ नहीं है।
नहीं।
A patient was lying on the stretcher in the corridor. His family members claimed that hospital administration offered them a used oxygen mask.
यहाँ लोग मास्क नहीं देंगे, नया मास्क खरीद के लाने गए।
तब तक तो जान बच जाएगी, जो उनके पास नया लगा लीजिए। अस्पताल में हमेशा स्टॉक में नया होता है, जान तो बचेगी। नया क्या? वो कह रहे हैं नया नहीं है, वो कह रही है नया नहीं है अस्पताल में।
अब सबके नया कहाँ से देंगे, आप ही बोलिए। 5-6 को मेरे पास ठीक
है।
तो
अगर मान लीजिए संक्रमित हुआ कोई और वही वाला 5 लोगों को लगाएंगे तो बीमारी भी, जो इसको नहीं हुआ होगा कोरोना, वो भी ले जाएगा। एक ही मास्क जो वही आप सबको लगा देते हैं।
There is no denying that the infection has reached those parts of the country which were untouched in the first wave. And with health infrastructure crumbling even in big cities, what hope do these small towns and villages have?
In this small town, a hospital is there, adequate number of bed and oxygen supply is also there. But it is only the negligence which is now seems to be a bigger fear. The free access to the relatives in the COVID ward, drivers putting up oxygen cylinders to the patients, and crisis of essential medicines, injections seems to be a big concern for the coming days as we are heading towards a peak of COVID. Hopefully, the government and administration will take call on this. Bringing you this ground report from Chatra, Jharkhand with Sanjay Kumar. This is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Joining me now is our correspondent Ashutosh Mishra, who's been tracking what's happening in COVID in Bihar and Jharkhand in particular. Ashutosh, the sense I get from your reports is the biggest challenge is COVID illiteracy. Most of the people do not really know what is the basic COVID protocol to be followed. Where is the problem? Is it that there has been no education, no communication in the small towns and villages as to what to do if you get COVID?
You're absolutely right, Rajdeep. In the rural areas, in the small town areas, clearly, if you say that people are not literally aware about the COVID safety protocols, but then it comes the duty towards the administration, towards the hospital administration, and towards the local governance, why there is no level of awareness. But at the same time, even if they are not aware about the safety protocols, clearly they cannot have a free access inside the COVID ward. And this is just not one place. From Bihar to Jharkhand to West Bengal, all over what I have seen, that people are easily walking in and out in the COVID wards. Besides that, there is a crisis of oxygen. Besides that, how the masks are being given one to another, the using thing. Besides that, there is a crisis of essential injection that you also heard in this ground report from Chatra. The biggest concern what I see is the COVID contamination. If there is emergency ward, there are patients kept, both who are COVID and both those who are awaiting for their results. Could be they are not all positive, but what if they come in contact with the positive cases? At the same time, this free access that you see in the rural areas. Right. Let me also tell you that how in Bihar, the COVID patients and their relatives, their loved ones, their family members have to sit with them in the wards to take care of them, and there are no nursing staff, no healthcare workers to take care of the patient. And that's going to be a negligence what we see in the remote parts of India, in this part of India. Rajdeep.